Hi friends, today we are going to make a glitter jar. Those of you who have taken class with me before know that I love to use a glitter jar in class to symbolize the energy in our bodies. So, all you need is water, glitter, any color you choose. I chose blue. And an empty jar. Can be any size. I chose a medium size. To start, pour the water into the jar. Next, take the glitter and sprinkle it into the jar. Finally, screw the cap on the jar and shake it up. This is helpful for two reasons. One, it symbolizes the energy in our body, and as we watch it settle to the bottom, it's both meditative and demonstrates the calming effects of Shavasana. Enjoy.